Hainanese Chicken Rice, made easy in a rice cooker. Season with your chicken, layer it over jasmine rice with green onion, ginger, lemongrass, and chicken broth. Hit cook and let the magic happen. Welcome to Lay's Kitchen. Let's prepare the aromatics. Slice the green onion into slices for dipping sauce and cut a few on a bias for marinating the chicken. Slice the ginger and lemongrass thinly. Add the green onions and ginger to the chicken drumsticks. And salt on all sides. Followed by the Chinese cooking wine. Massage the drumsticks to ensure the marinade is well coated. Next, prepare the rice. Rinse the jasmine rice in a colander under the tap water until the water is clear. Add the rice to the rice cooker and chicken stock per the predetermined rice to water ratio. Mix rice with chicken stock. Arrange the marinated drumsticks on top of the rice with the aromatics such as green onion, ginger, and lemongrass. Close the lid and turn the rice cooker on cooking for white rice. While the rice is cooking, let's make 2 dipping sauces. The first one being the green onion dipping sauce. Heat up 3 tablespoons of olive oil and swirl the pan. Let the oil come to medium temperature with bubbles in the pan. Pour the heated oil over the sliced green onion. Add half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and mix. Taste and adjust as needed. For the soy sauce dipping sauce, chop the cane sugar into smaller pieces. Add 3 tablespoons of regular soy sauce, one tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, combine all in a small pot on medium heat until the sugar is completely dissolved. For the sweet chili sauce, I used the store-bought Mayploy sweet chili sauce. I'll make sure I include the link to that brand of chili sauce. Pour some in a small dipping bowl. Now it's time to prepare to serve. When the rice cooker is turned on warm, check to see if all the content is cooked. I apologize I didn't have the rice cooker in a view or clear view for you to see what I was doing. I poked the drumsticks with a fork to make sure the liquid that came out was clear. I removed all the drumsticks and aromatics. I did add half a cup of frozen green peas and cover the rice cooker on warm. Cut the meat from the drumsticks. Then plating. Use a cup to mold the rice and place the rice onto a plate. Arrange the chicken pieces, followed by a few slices of cucumber. Drizzle the green onion dipping sauce over the chicken and garnish the rice with green onions. Add the 3 dipping sauces on the plate. The Hainan chicken rice is a beautiful fusion of Chinese technique and Southeast Asian flavor, transformed from a modest meal into a street food superstar, beloved across Asia and beyond. Fluffy and aromatic rice, juicy chicken with 3 contrasting dipping sauces, one pot wonder, and let the rice cooker do the heavy lifting on a weeknight. Thanks for watching. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.